So I'm here with Lupo and the crew from the City of Mitcham that undertake the footpath maintenance. We're here in Station Avenue, Blackwood, and you work around Lupo based on the priority for safety. Is that correct?
That is correct, and the things we take into consideration are elderly people, units, schools, high volume, high traffic
Excellent.
areas.
And you work throughout the city, in the hills and down in the plains.
That's correct.
Lupo, something that we want to raise to everyone. Last week we had a vehicle travel through at higher than the 25km/h speed limit. We want to keep our workers safe. We're here working to keep you safe. Please bear in mind that we have people working on the side of the road. Adhere to the speed limits when they're placed. Thank you.